Hello, my esteemed viewers. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to B Tutorials. Today, I'll be showing you something great and as well something that will be that can profit you from both the spot market and peer-to-peer market. Okay. So before I go into that deeply, if this is your first time coming across to this amazing channel, please do well to subscribe to my channel, like my video, and also share my video with friends so that a lot of people can benefit from this amazing content. And if you are a returning viewers and you are yet to subscribe to my channel, do well to subscribe to my channel and also like my videos and as well share my videos. So today I'll be using this particular exchange called Bybit. And if you do not have a Bybit account, I'll drop a link for you to sign up for a verified Bybit account. So the best thing that you just need to do here, this method or strategies that I'm about to display on this very app called Bybit, you can as well use the same strategies or techniques on Binance and other exchanges. Okay, so all you just need to do, make sure you have a verified Bybit account. As I said, go to um go to your spot and look for USDT. So if you look at USDT, if you look at USDT, so you check what is the current rate of USDT. So for you to understand that you can do it on all any other exchange, so I have therefore switched to Binance. For you to understand that you can as well do it on all exchanges. Okay. So what you can just check currently, search for USDT and slash NGN. Wow. So if you search for USDT slash NGN, this is the current USDT slash NGN in this today's market. Okay, so it's at 1,360, though now it has increased and is also what increasing. Okay, so all you just need to do is to come to this very place and secure some NGN, buy USDT using NGN. For you to do this, you must have NGN wallet. Okay, you must what have NGN in your wallet. So let's quickly go to peer-to-peer transaction and see what exactly we stand to gain on this very arbitrage. Okay, so let's go to peer-to-peer and see what is the dollar's rate today. Come to this place. Let me change to NGN market. So the NGN, wow, the NGN market is offering me 1,518 if I want to sell. And if I want to sell, is offering me 1,419. So you can come to this place and create your ads to sell as a merchant, or you can just come to this place and sell. Okay, and just come to this place and what and sell. Okay, you keep scrolling until when you see your market mate. Okay, you can see a lot of people are here. If they are not making profit, they can never be here. That is one thing you understand. So if we buy at 1,399 and sell at 1,416 or 18, this is a good profit. Okay, that is per each dollar you are going to earn not less than 20 naira. Okay, so let's say, but on this arbitrage, if you have a little bit big money, you earn a lot of profit here. Okay, you can see the price kept dropping. Okay, so what we are going, let's say assume, let's say we are going to use like let's say let's say 200 USDT. Let's say 200,000 naira to buy NGN, or let's say 500k. Okay, let's say we're using 500k. So using 500,000 to purchase this very NGN, we will be given 358.4. Okay, write it down. 328.4. Okay, 328.4. Right? Okay. If we use 500k to get this very amount, let's go to peer-to-peer transaction and see how much we can sell this 500 USDT. Okay, sorry, these are 3 point what. So let's say we are selling to this first man here. So as I said, your money must be a little bit huge, okay, for you to understand, for you to really enjoy this arbitrage. Okay, so let's see what we have. We have 328.4. Let's sell our 328.4 that we purchased at the rate of 500 US, 500,000. Okay, let's say 328.4. So 328.4. So sorry, it was not 328. It was 358. So 358, we are going to get 586,000, 508,612 naira. Wow. So you will get 508,612 naira as a profit. Oh, no, you get 508,612 naira. That is, you have make an 8,612 naira profit. Wow, this is a very amazing one. Okay, let's check our calculator to see the profit potential that we stand to gain. Okay, so I will be taking this one off. We bought with 500. Let's minus. Okay, 508, 612. Wow, you can see we stand to make 8,612 naira instantly without going and come back. Okay, instantly, instantly without going and come back. Now you can see this. You can see how very profitable this is. Okay, let's say the profit now is 8,612 naira. Okay, let's say we are able to do this 5 times a day. Let's say times 5, we'll have for 3,000 naira. Okay, okay. Let's say for 3k, time is 7 days now. 7 days in a week, right? Times 7. Wow, you have 301k within a week. Okay, so this very opportunity might not always be there. If you are just seeing this right now, I advise you jump into it and make a lot of profit before it goes down. Okay, so as you can see, this brings us to kind of the end of the class for today. If you have any question concerning this very class or any of my previous classes, do well to drop it at the comment section and I will get to you ASAP. Okay, so don't forget, if you have not subscribed, please do. And if you have not liked, please like. If you have not shared, please share. Okay, so that you can get to a lot of people. So thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for being with me, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.